nakiusap sa pagdinig din ng Senado sa Blue Ribbon Committee.
Yes.
At siya yung nagsabi na siya'y kinausap ng dalawang chairman ng Quadcom, Dazon.
Siya daw po ipinatawag noong October 22 ni na Congressman Dan Fernandez at Congressman Benny Abante.
Yan.
Oo. Nung pinapasok siya sa kwarto, ang sabi niya dyan, I saw two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma standing inside the room. One of the lawyers approached me and then asked me, what are we going to talk about?
Anong ating pag-uusapan? Oh,
Sabi ni Grijaldo, I do not know.
hindi ko rin alam eh.
So, ibig sabihin, silang dalawang panig, parang hindi alam kung bakit sila nandun.
Yun.
After a while, kalipas ang
Ilang sandali. Okay.
Kong Dan Fernandez entered the room
Ayun.
and he asked me to sit beside him on his right side. And Kong Abante entered the room, sat far. Medyo malayo-layo. Kong Dan Fernandez put the paper he was holding on the table.
Ba, nilagay yung papel. Okay.
And told me, ito ang sasabihin mong statement na ito while pointing on the paragraph on the paper. Ito ang supplemental affidavit ni Colonel Garma. Sabihin mong alam mo ang reward system. I-confirm mo lang.
Naku po.
Ayun.
Kasi kinakailangan nila ng corroborative statement. Sa naging statement ni Colonel Garma eh.
Kong Dan told me to read the said affidavit.
Yes.
However, I asked for the copy of the affidavit he was showing to me. He did not give it to me. The lawyer of police, Colonel Garma, said, ikaw lang ang pwedeng magsabi niyan, sabi ni Colonel Garma. I was puzzled and asked myself, why me? Why me?
Bakit ako? Ba't ako magsasabi niya?
Bakit ako?
Ba't ako makikipag kuntsabahan? Ba't ako sasangayon sa sinabi mo? Parang gusto sabihin, hindi naman yan ang alam ko eh. Diba? And then?
Ang sabi pa niya, sinabi niya hindi niya alam yung reward system na yan.
Okay.
Nang tanungin siya ni Senador Bato kung anong naramdaman mo kung nandun ka. Ang sabi niya, it's an harassment and very offensive, Your Honor. At that time, I was wearing my uniform. Parang gusto nilang magsinungaling ako, Your Honor. Yun na, siya na hindi siya makapaniwala.
Yun na nga. So, yan ang yan ang istorya pala ni Grijaldo.